Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to talk to you about our adventures, like this one, Arizona. Isn't that funny? On this hat, it says Arizona, but it's got a hibiscus tree. There aren't any hibiscus trees here in Arizona I've ever seen. It's a cactus, no hibiscus. I think they made this for maybe a Hawaiian style, but they ended up putting Arizona on it instead. But anyway, that's what happens when you travel. You get to see a lot of cool stuff. I want to give you an update of a little bit about where we've been and where we're going in the next couple of months because I really want you to like and subscribe to this channel and comment down below. And if you're interested in some of these videos, go ahead and join the channel for a whole $3. Yeah, that's big money. And for a whole $3, you can join the channel and help support the channel and the work that we're doing here. Been full-time RVing about over 3 years. Had this channel for about 6 years. So I tend to make a video about every 5 days or so, or 3 days, depending on how much material I have. But on that note, as far as joining the channel, you would get to see these videos the day that I upload them. So if you want to see videos current, you would get them like I said, the exact day that I upload. Whereas I tend to schedule my videos to the public out maybe 5 days, maybe 10 days out. But anyway, come along and join us. Let me give you an update because you've just entered the Coolest Life Update Edition. So where have we been? Well, see, I'm a full time RVer along with my wife. We're full time RVers. The channel, she doesn't really get on the channel too much with me. She does a little bit because inside this channel we've got all of our playlists that have our churches. We tend to visit churches every Sunday. We try to visit a different church in most areas. This one here in Yuma that we're at, we visited 6 churches. Then we found one we kind of liked. We just continue to go to it. It does cut down the number of videos, but we just do like an 8-minute video of the churches and the service and coming into the church, what it looks like, how you would feel as a visitor, kind of stuff. And we hope that the churches would see those and take note of what it looks like from a visitor. The other ones we do is I'm a Mason, so I do a lot of Masonic videos. Some are teaching, some are just Masonic lodges from around the country. So that's something that not anybody is going to be privy to. One, they probably don't get to go video the lodge rooms like I do because lodge masters aren't going to let them do it. For one, they just won't. Not that they can't, but they just won't. And two, they're not going to know what they're looking at. And I kind of go around the room and talk to you about how some jurisdictions are a little different when they set this up or do that. So I've got a little bit more expertise when it comes to those videos. And of course, we're also doing travel videos. I got a map. May have posted it on my Facebook page. I don't remember of where we've been. Google Maps helped me out with that. Where we've been this year. In fact, let me see if I can bring that up on this computer. Well, this is all basically I could get you is where I've put stars and where I've wanted to put markers as we traveled, and some places I still want to go to or go back to. We had started way down here in Florida, actually Columbus, Georgia, which is right here. We started down here in Florida. We come this way, then we went all the way up the coast. We went all the way this way, all the way through Pennsylvania, New York, Massachusetts. We actually came out here to the falls. So I got to see Niagara Falls for the first time. We came all the way over here to Bar Harbor, Maine, which is way over this way. We ended up going up, and we came, let's see, I think we came all the way up first. Then we came back here. It was our first year. Our second year, we came up this way here through Tennessee. We came over here and stayed here. This is that Batesville. They're outside Cincinnati. We went up this way, and we came over here to Wisconsin. You can see a whole lot of spots there because we spent the entire summer in Wisconsin Dells. Got a chance to go to Minneapolis, left the RV there. As we came back through town, we came down this way, actually spent the night in Iowa, came all the way down to Kansas City, spent about 3 weeks in Kansas City, came all the way down this way here, stayed here in Texoma about 2 weeks, I think it was, maybe 3. And then we came on down south. We spent the entire summer the entire winter here in Harlingen, Texas. And then we came over this way here and we got to see where the aliens are, Roswell, New Mexico. We stayed there in Roswell, New Mexico about 10 days or so. shot through here, saw a couple of those cities, stayed up here in Gunnison, Colorado about a week, went on up this way here. You can see a whole bunch of big cluster, means we were there a while. There at Mount Rushmore. While we're in Mount Rushmore, we got to travel out a little bit, different places. We definitely came here to Yellowstone, which is what this is. Then we come back down south. We came over this way here to Salt Lake City. Went out here to the Great Salt Flats. That was cool. Came all the way back down, stayed here in St. George in Utah, and went on down into Las Vegas, spent about 3 weeks down there. And then we came on down to Yuma, which is where we currently are now, as taping this video. There's no tape anymore. Recording of this video, we are all the way down here in Yuma, and we've been here all winter. About to head out. Where we're going to head out to, we're going to be up in just north of Los Angeles at Palmdale area, or Acton. And then we're going to go to San Benito. And we're going to go to the place just north of San Francisco. Then we're going to be north of Sacramento. And then we're going to shoot up to Oregon, up this way here. And then we'll be up there for a week. And then we're going to shoot on up and spend the entire summer up in, let me see if I can scroll this down just a smidge. We're going to be up in the Olympia area over here, this area, not Spokane side, but this side over here. So we're going to be close to the beach. So hopefully we're going to see a lot of beaches along the way, see the redwoods up this way here. Looking forward to those adventures and bringing you along with us, as we'll be doing videos as we go to those areas. And I'll be making travel videos and seeing churches, as I mentioned, and also seeing those other Masonic lodges, and just doing some neat travel stuff. I don't know. We might make it down to Mexico again. I'm thinking not about to. I just went to Mexico yesterday, down here just outside of Yuma, and I'll be putting that video up. I think it'll hit on the 5th or something like that. So it'll be a conglomeration video of different travels. But that's where we've been so far. Now, once we get up there after the summer, we're probably going to go across this way. We may come back down into here. I don't know yet. But we're going to come back across this way, and I'm going to go do the what do they call it? The sweet potato? Nope. It's the sugar beet harvest. It's a big thing the RVers do. They only want RVers for 2 weeks up in this area, and you can work up in here. Sometimes you can work in Wisconsin or Michigan. It seems like that's where the big sugar beet farms are. Well, they want you for about 2 weeks. They pay you decent money, and they give you a place to stay and full hookups. So you can basically stay on the property for free. And then they work you 12 hours a day, good and bad. I figure, it's only for a couple of weeks. I can do it for a couple of weeks, no big deal. And they pay you a nice little chunk of change that you leave with. So we're going to maybe take advantage of that. May not ever do it again. At my age, I'm 57. By the time I hit that place, I'll be 58. But we'll see. Maybe they got sit-down jobs. I mean, I don't know. They got some labs and that different things. But then we're going to come back down this way. I'm going to come back here to where my hometown is in Windfall, Indiana, and go see my mom. She lives there, and in Tipton and Kokomo area. And I'm going to go down there and probably spend a month. And then we're going to shoot on down here to Columbus, Georgia. We're probably going to stay in Columbus, Georgia. We'll probably be down there the month of December. And then we're going to be on down here into Florida. And my wife is talking me into going, and leave some comments down below if you would. She's trying to talk me into going to southern Florida. I want to be south of Tampa. I want to be in this area here. We were here at one time. I kind of want to be here in Venice and spend a couple of years and really get to know the area really well. We were just in Port Charlotte for about 5 months. But she wants to come all the way down here, all the way across Alligator Alley, which is what this is. And she wants to come all the way down here. Let me put that over here. She wants to come all the way across Alligator Alley, past Homestead. She wants to come either here or here. And we may stay 2 years. I don't know if I can do that. I may get claustrophobic, but we'll see. It's kind of up in the air right now. I kind of wouldn't mind doing that for a little bit. And maybe when we're doing that, maybe we'll be taking different boats or ferry rides or whatever, going over here to Bahamas and some different areas. So who knows? That's where we're going right now, and down the road. And so I just invite you to come along with us. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of me rambling. It's a lot of things. I just want to kind of shoot from the hip a little bit, and I I'm not really a secretive guy. I'm just kind of throw it all out there and say what I mean and mean what I say, and it comes off the top of my head. I just kind of blurt it out. Some of those details my wife might not wanted me to give you, but yeah, that's fine. She can, if she watches these videos, she'll see it, and maybe she'll say something about. But you know what? She doesn't watch most of my videos. But anyway, we'll let you go. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe, and consider joining the channel for only $3. That's right, $3 whole. So I'd really appreciate that. But I'll let you go because I'm just out here living the coolest life on our way through California.